Jack and I, we're in the tent together.
25 miles wind outside.
Yeah. The wind outside is 30 to 40 miles per hour. So you can see the tent blowing. And it looks like this is going to be the end of our summit. Unless the wind dies down after sundown. We're planning to abort the climb and go down. Look at that tent go. The place where we have the tent set up actually has some shelter, but it's still blowing like mad. As soon as you step outside in the exposed, you're 40 miles per hour. It's too bad because it's a beautiful sunny day.